Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell and buy crypto easily on MoonPay. So basically, we're going to need the app of MoonPay installed in our phone because the PC or desktop version is going to be a little bit heavy and not going to be optimized for computers or let's say laptops, but the phone version is going to be the best. So we are going to head over our phone. Either it is going to be an Android phone or an iOS phone. We're going to install the app by heading over the App Store. And after that, we're going to click on the search button and type in only MoonPay, just like that. We're going to install the app and we're going to open it real quick. So what we're going to do is to wait for a few seconds. Here I have let's say skipped a lot of steps because I have signed in into my account. I have verified my identity because we need a piece of ID to scan in this app. So we are going to take the photo of the face of the ID and also the back side of the ID, and then we're going to take a picture from the app to our face. So with that, we are going to verify our identification, and they have added something that they I don't think that they have been right there, but in the late updates they have added the proof of residency of the proof of the address. So you're going to take a picture of a receipt, electricity receipt, or a residency, let's say paper, and etc. So without further ado, we are going to be on the app. This is going to be the app. Normally in here on the buy button and also the pause button, we are going to get a more option button which will lead us to see the button of sell. So but in here I think that is going to be because of the update I do not see anymore. So we can go ahead and buy crypto by clicking on buy, and then we are going to search for the crypto that we want, for example Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin. I can go ahead and see that we have Bitcoin. I can go ahead and click on buy and see my balance or my wallet. Also, I can go ahead and get the recurring buy. It doesn't matter a lot. I'm not going to have the recurring buy on. Click on buy. Then we are going to choose the amount that we want to buy. For example, 100. I'm going to click on continue. Obviously it is going to demand for me the proof of address. I'm not going to do it, so I'm going to skip that part. After that, you're going to put a payment method, which is going to be your credit card, and then you're going basically to pay the amount. You're not going to get some fees right there, but you're going to get the fees on exchanging the cryptos. So aside from that, as you can see, we have set up the buying process. You can go ahead and put some deposit into a wallet, or you can copy and paste any wallet that you have. For example, Solana. You can go ahead and have the XRP and etc. And then you are going to top them up. So for the send-in, I told you that it was a button here. Normally you are going to find it on the deposit or behind the deposit. You're going to find it. In your case, maybe you're going to find it, maybe not. It is going to be dependent on the update. And then you're going to buy crypto just like or sell crypto like just buying it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.